Good afternoon everybody, Steve here from My Leisure Home. Before I start, this video is dedicated to Keegan. It's his 17th birthday and he's over in Derbyshire and his teacher, Pagan, from his school over that way has asked me to give him a mention, so I have done so. Without further ado, this is the Willerby Waverley Lodge. It's 14 by 42 foot. The decking comes with it as well, so you've got the toughened glass finish on the decking with a lovely skirting that surrounds the decking and the holiday home. Storm grey finish on all the windows. I think that works really nicely, as I've mentioned before. Then we've got one single door on the side. It's 2-bedroom as well, so we've got heaps of space in here. We've also got a gate there, so if you've got a dog, the dog can't get out of there. So if we enter into the holiday home, we start off in the hallway. So we've got a seating area just here as we enter, so you can sit down and take your shoes off. Above that, we've got storage for your coats and jackets, light just there, and then we've got another storage cupboard just here, which is handy. Somewhere to pop your shoes just underneath there as well. A door that separates you from the living room. So we'll enter into there now. As I said, I've dedicated this to Keegan, with it being his birthday, so we've put a few banners and things like that up for him. Hope you're having a cracking day, Keegan. So, as you can see, the sheer space that we've got in here, it really is nice. It's a different outlay in the fact that we've got this shaped window at the front there, and then we've got the patio doors on the front end as well. Freestanding furniture in here as well then, so we've got a 2-seater that houses a pull-out bed, single armchair just here, and if we pan round, we've got another one this side with matching footstool. Electric fire just there. Now you can have your TV up on the wall, or you can also have it over here. I would have it up on the wall. My parents would probably have it over there. But that's your choice. There is a mirror that covers obviously what you can see up on the wall there anyway, so that's not a problem. LED lightings throughout. And if I just come over onto this corner here, see the sheer space that we've got within the holiday home. You notice we've got a coating on the floor, so this just protects the floor from getting dirty, obviously before someone buys the holiday home. So this lovely island in the middle then, with these lights that shine down on it. It's a breakfast bar as well, so you've got 2 seats in there, so if there's only a couple of you, you can sit there and eat, or we've got the option for you to have a family meal at the dining table. There's storage also underneath the island, which is fantastic. So the appliances we have in here then, we've got a 70/30 split fridge freezer, a microwave just here with a stainless steel surrounds, and then just below that we've got an integrated washing machine. Lovely sink just here, and then these natural downlights coming in with plenty of storage above. Splashback at the rear of the cooking area. And then we've got the external extractor, 5 set of hobs, and the cooker there as well. Stainless steel finish on all of the sockets and plugs and things like that in here as well, which add that little bit of flair. Not forgetting the vertical radiator as well. I really like them. So if we head now down the hallway, the first room we come to is the guest room. So in here we've got 2 full-size single beds, so they're the 3-foot beds. Them lovely downlights and headboards that match the curtains. In the middle here we've got a dressing table, or should I say bedside table. That can come out the way and you can obviously slot the 2 beds together if you wish. And then over this side, more storage, and then the dressing table just there. Up here we've got space to put a TV up as well. Here's your wardrobe then in the guest room. Plenty of storage in there. As we head down the hallway to the next room, the next room we come to is the shower room. So we've got a lovely fresh clean shower. The colours make it look really nice and crisp. And then above that we've got the lighting, the external extractor, and then we've got these natural lights now that they've started putting in holiday homes. So that's basically the sun blaring through that, giving you the natural light, which is obviously more economical and helping save the planet. Toilet here then, and the wash basin with storage just below, and then we've got that mirrored storage unit just above. So then we come into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, we've got bedside table either side with heaps of room, natural light coming in from a massive window here on this side, and then the same over this side. We've also got a seating area with more storage just below, and then there's a USB port either side of the bed. The bed is on hydraulics, so we've got extra storage beneath there, and then I love these lights as well. The dressing table over this side with a seat below, plenty of room for storage, and then that light there as well. If we come around here, we've got your main wardrobe, and then additional storage via the drawers and another wardrobe just there. And then, as you can see, up on the wall there, you've got somewhere to put your TV up. Finally, the ensuite. So in here, pretty much identical to the last one really. We've got a toilet, wash basin with storage just below, the storage mirrored wardrobe, mirrored cupboard, sorry. And then we've also got a lovely crisp clean shower, plenty of room in there as well, and then obviously the towel radiator on the wall. So that's it. What a lovely holiday home this is. So it's brand spanking new. It's already sited, so it's ready to move into once you're allowed to travel, and it's just $59,995, and that comes sited with the deck in. We can offer finance on it if that's something that you want to look into. We also take in part exchanges from anywhere around the UK, so if you're looking to sort of come off your holiday park and move over this way, we can help you out with that. So if you need any more information, my telephone number is 01754 252 889 or 07425 77 30 30. Please do like and subscribe to this video, it does help us out, and we'll obviously update you with more regular videos over the next coming days. Thanks a lot guys, take care, bye bye.